In this video, we're going to talk about the 4 steps to finding profitable products to sell with almost zero risk. Not 40 steps, not even 10, but 4.
Hey, JR Fisher here, and I'm super excited to be here with Justin from Clickbank University. How you doing today, Justin?
I'm doing good. We have an amazing view of San Diego. We're here, and I'm excited about this video.
So, do you guys want to know how I find some awesome products to sell online with just a few minutes of my time?
Yeah, I think they're going to love it, so let's do it.
Great. I want to share with you how to pick foolproof products to sell online with almost zero risk and be able to do it in just 4 steps, just like Justin said. Now, some people will take days or weeks to find a single product and then try to test it to see if it gets engagement, like clicks and likes and shares. But really, this is all a waste of time and money, and they don't even know if it's going to work. So let me share with you the 4 simple steps I use to make this super easy. Number 1, find the product. Number 2, verify traffic to it. Number 3, source where you can get the product. Number 4, check profitability and start selling. So let's get started. You ready to start, Justin?
Yeah, let's start it.
All right, so let's jump right into the first step and let's find a product. Now, I look in Facebook for posts. Now, I have a process for looking up successful ads on Facebook, and that's how I found this cat necklace. So what I'm doing here is looking for a product that has people who have a really strong passion about something. Now, the first thing I make note of is that the only people who are going to wear a cat necklace are people who truly love cats, and they want to self-identify or show other people that they love cats. They do this by wearing something that demonstrates their love of cats. When you find a passion like this, man, you can sell them all kinds of things. So as you can see in this ad, this post got 9.8 thousand likes, 210 comments, and 513 shares. I mean, that's amazing. What do you think about that, Justin?
Yeah, you can see the engagement and you can see exactly how people feel about it right there.
Right. So let's go on to step 2. Let's verify the traffic to the ad. It's really important that there's traffic going to the ad. Now, I can research that just by copying the Google shortened URL and pasting it in and adding a plus sign after it. That will show me how many people clicked on that ad. I can also look and see where the traffic is coming from so I can see exactly where to target my ad when I run my ad. I will then be taken to the statistics of the ad and see how much traffic it got. As you can see here, there were thousands of people who clicked on this ad, so I go on to the next step. Step 3 is to see if I can source the product by heading over to AliExpress to see if I can find a place to buy it and have it shipped to the customer so I don't have to pack and ship anything. So here I am at AliExpress, and I found many sellers of this product, but I like this one because they have really good ratings and they've been around for 7 years. Perfect. Now for the last step, step number 4. Is it profitable? Okay, now let's check the cost that I'm going to have to pay for it. It looks like I'll have to pay $5.99, and that's a pretty cool thing. They even offer e-packets so I can get it shipped to the customer for free. Okay, so I know the product is popular, people are clicking on it, and I know what I have to pay for it. Let's see if it's going to be profitable for me to sell. I clicked on the actual ad, and here's the page where they are selling this product. It looks like they're getting $28.99 for this necklace. So yeah, that'll work. I have to pay $5.99 and I can sell it for $28.99. So that's a 483% markup. So that's incredible profit. If I look at the sales page a little closer and I scroll down, I can see that they are selling all kinds of cat-related products to the buyer of this necklace. There are just so many different types of products that will fit into this niche that the possibilities are endless. So in just a few minutes, look at this. We found a popular offer, checked out an ad, and we can emulate, not copy, but emulate what they're doing right now. Find a source for the product. And hey, it's a beautiful thing that they even will ship it to the customer and I don't have to invest anything in inventory. You gotta love that, right, Justin?
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
I want to share with you tons more cool ways you can make money in e-commerce. So I've put together a webinar along with Justin to share these simple and easy ways that you can start, run, and grow your e-commerce business. If you haven't already done so, I want you to click that link below to sign up right now. This is going to be a fun and informative session, but it will fill up fast. So if you want to be able to get in, you need to grab your spot now.
All right, guys, you heard it. JR is a master in e-commerce, so we're really excited about this webinar, but it only matters if you can grab a spot. So make sure to click the link below here, register for the webinar, and we'll see you on it live. We'll see you then.